This is so cool. When I was a kid, I was kind of obsessed with the Titanic.
Same.
It was so cool.
Same. I saw it so many times.
Well, not the movie, but like the actual. The movie was good too, but the whole
it inspired me, and then I became obsessed with the Titanic. Ty.
There you go. But there's a new immersive exhibit that is at the Galleria Center in Scottsdale about basically the ship hitting the iceberg and then sinking back in 1912, April of 1912. So we have Jessica joining us live here this morning talking about this immersive experience. Jessica, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to us. So for people that haven't seen this before, walk us through what this is all about, this immersive experience.
Oh, yeah, sure. Titanic, an immersive voyage, takes people through the building of the ship all the way to the discovery of the wreck site using immersive technology and full-scale reproductions of certain portions of the ship.
And where are you standing right now? That looks, what is that, like the walkway to get on the ship, or what is that?
Yeah, so the exhibition starts with how media impacts how we remember the story and how it keeps it alive in our memories. But this, where I'm standing, is where you embark upon the ship of dreams, the opulent Titanic.
So when folks walk through, Jessica, what can they expect to see? I mean, obviously the visuals, we did a live shot there not too long ago, and you were kind of showing us through the entire ship. It looks like a replica, basically.
Correct, yes. So we do have full-scale reproductions of certain areas of the ship, and then we also have immersive environments where instead of looking at things in cases, which you can do, we do have artifacts and memorabilia, you can actually step into history, and guests can experience Titanic in a brand new and compelling way.
Yeah, and I was going to say, I mean, there is so much to do with the Titanic, and it's still popular. I mean, this exhibit alone, I'm sure, is going to draw hundreds and hundreds of people. What do you think it is? That just the curiosity, the history of it, it's such a topic to talk about, and it just continues through time.
Well, it's very interesting because even just in your conversation before, one of you came in that we were obsessed with Titanic, the other one came in through the movie. So there are many entry points into this story, but because the story is so compelling, you deal with loss, tragedy, love, engineering, Edwardian society, all of these themes that are just so enthralling, they bring you in. There's something in this story for everybody.
I mean, obviously you guys have been open for a week or two, or a little bit longer than that, but what are some of the most, I guess, what are folks most drawn to when they come to this immersive experience?
Oh my goodness. Well, I will tell you what we're hearing from guests is, again, the opportunity to experience Titanic in a different way using technology and immersive environments. But the shipwreck model is very interesting. Being able to walk through and experience the grand staircase and see a full-size reproduction of a first-class cabin is interesting. The lifeboat gallery is very impactful. It's just emotionally impactful, and really people are connecting with that emotionally.
How long should people give themselves if they're going to the exhibit to walk through it and experience it all? About how long does it take?
Well, honestly, you can spend up to 2 hours. You can spend about an hour plus. It just depends on how deep in the content you want to go. I will recommend, though, doing the VR experience, because that is what's going to allow people to explore the wreck site, which only a few people have ever done in the world. So it's an opportunity to go down to see Titanic as she rests now.
All right, we've only got about 45 seconds left, but do folks need to make reservations to come, or can they buy tickets at the door, and how much are they?
The tickets range from $20 to $40 depending on which experience you choose. Like I mentioned, you're going to want to get the VIP experience because it includes the VR. You can go to expo-titanic.com to get tickets. You don't need reservations ahead, but I do recommend it. You can also buy tickets on site. And that's at 4301 North Scottsdale Drive, the corner of 5th and North Scottsdale. You're going to take the escalators down to the entrance.
How cool.
And how long again is it on display for?
It'll be presented by Fever for Exhibition Hub until the end of the year.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Well, Jessica, thank you so much for taking the time. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. Come please join us.